Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. We will learn about index. So let's dive in. Name variable is equal Muhammad, Ahmed and Umran. So print name dot index. It's method. Okay, index it's method. I will put arguments. The argument it's m. So Python Python space l dot py 0. So index is method search about the letter and return its index. Search about the element and return its index. So let's about D. So D Python l.py. D is 7. So now when I write m return 0, why is not return this element? So 0 1 2 3 4 4, why don't return for index? Because index search about the first element. So m the first element, m d first element, d space first element space. So this is index, and goodbye.